Yeah. We don't have to turn love into war. We used to laugh at nothing, now we argue over everything. Silence sitting heavy in the room like nobody lives here. You say I don't stay long enough on the phone before we sleep, but baby I clock in before the sunrise while the whole world dreams. 3:45 that alarm rings, 5 a.m. I'm chasing bread. Not because I love you less, but because I mean what I said. A man can't build forever if he's exhausted every night. Love shouldn't feel like proving what's already right. I know you're loyal, I know you're true, but love without respect will slowly undo. Two good hearts can still collide if pride keeps sitting in the driver's side. What are you upset about? Let's fix it before we raise our voices now. We don't have to tear it down just to figure out. What are you upset about? Let's talk it through without screaming loud. Love don't live in a battleground. Baby, calm it down. Talk to me. Talk to me. Talk to me. You said I didn't text when I reached work, like that means I'm somewhere else. But I was running late, badge in my hand, trying not to lose myself. You looked at me like I was guilty before I said a word. That kind of doubt cuts deeper than anything I've heard. If I fall asleep before midnight, it's not